Hello everyone, my name is Tyler McDonald. I am the Technical Services Manager here at IRISS, and today I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step process for creating an account on the IRISS web store. To begin, please navigate to www.iris.com, our company website. Once there, in the upper right-hand corner, there will be a small icon with a person. And by clicking that, you can get two options, register and log in. For those of you who already have accounts, please continue to the next video. Otherwise, click register. When you click register, you'll be asked to input all the information associated with your account. Once you have successfully registered, please navigate to your email box to receive your activation email. Here you can see I received two new emails, one for successful activation. These will contain my personal information and a link to activate my account. Please click on this link. My account has now been verified, and I will be able to log in using the password information and email that I had previously used. Now that I have entered the store, I am now registering for a warranty, registering products, or looking at various downloads or future orders. I can also now use the web store. To continue on to the additional topics, please see the next videos in the series. Thank you.